Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of Paybis, one of the most trusted cryptocurrency exchange platforms available today. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and services Paybis offers, helping you understand why it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced crypto traders. Paybis is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even to those new to cryptocurrency. On the homepage, you'll find a simple layout with clear options to buy, sell, or exchange a wide variety of digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. The platform prides itself on offering one of the fastest transaction processes in the market, ensuring you can complete trades quickly and efficiently. Another standout feature of Paybis is its security. The platform employs advanced encryption technologies and complies with rigorous regulatory standards to ensure that your personal and financial data remains protected at all times. Additionally, Paybis is available in multiple countries, making it a versatile option for users around the globe. Navigating to the payment methods section, you will see a wide range of options available, including bank transfers, credit cards, and even alternative payment solutions. This flexibility is especially valuable for users looking to fund their crypto accounts conveniently. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. When it comes to fees, Paybis maintains transparency by clearly displaying costs upfront before you finalize any transaction. This ensures that there are no surprises, and you're always in control of your financial decisions. Additionally, the platform provides 24/7 customer support to assist users with any questions or technical issues they may encounter. Paybis also supports wallet integrations, making it easy to store your purchased cryptocurrencies securely. This integration is a huge plus for users who prioritize convenience and security. Whether you're looking to buy crypto instantly, explore a diverse range of coins, or simply find a platform that values security and efficiency, Paybis is a top contender. Don't forget to explore the additional educational resources on the website, which offer valuable insights into cryptocurrency trading and investing. Remember to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to stay updated on more cryptocurrency reviews and guides.